Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sankara. While discussing the topic of privileged communications between husband and wife, I told you that a wife cannot file a case against the husband for uttering something or for the communicating something against her in-laws and other things. I told you 126 and other sections of Indian Evidence Act. A typical case has come before the Honorable High Court of Karnataka, where Justice M. Nagaprasanna, a single judge, he has clearly stated that the call records of a third party, please remember, the call records of a third party who is not a party to the suit cannot be marked as evidence. It infringes the right to privacy granted under Article 21 of the Constitution of India. This is the synopsis of the case. You can read the case as Mr. Vishwas versus Shetty. Vishwas Shetty versus Mrs. Preethi K. Rao, wife of Vikram Somnath. Why I told you all these names, I will tell you. So these three protagonists, they have come as parties in this case. So it was decided on 30/11/2022 by Honorable Justice M. Nagaprasanna in WP number 13165 by 2019. Right? So as far as the topic goes, you might have understood Vishwas Shetty and Preethi as well as this Vikram Samanth. So the marriage of Preethi and Vikram Samanth was celebrated. They have got a child also. And Preethi filed a case of cruelty against Vikram Samanth, and she filed a suit for the annulment of her marriage. So marriage to be declared as void, annulment of marriage. You may have in section 13 of the Hindu Marriage Act. But please remember, in this connection, the husband, while defending himself, he has called for the tower locations of Mr. Vishwas Shetty. Of course, the allegation is Vishwas Shetty is having illicit relationship with his wife Preethi. Therefore, she is asking for the annulment of the marriage. Of course, after 4 years, when she filed the case, after 4 years, she has filed a petition for the restitution of conjugal rights, which is not accepted. And we are discussing the particular point. The point is, the petitioner, actually the husband of Preethi, he wanted the tower locations of Mr. Vishwas Shetty, but for a particular period. And immediately the wife, Preethi, she objected. Why should you call for the records of the third party? He is not a party. The dispute is between you and me, between Vikram Samanth and the so-called Preethi. That's all. Why are you involving the third party? But the advocate on behalf of Vikram Samanth, he said, Your Honor, they are necessary. If the tower locations are traced, then we can say that both of them, Preethi and Vishwas, are at one place or something. Names better not to repeat time to time. He alleged illegal contact with his wife and another person to prove that he wanted the call details. So the family court, additional judge of the Bangalore family court, he asked the regional manager Bharati Airtel Limited to produce the tower locations of Mr. Vishwas Shetty from so-and-so date to so-and-so date. So, aggrieved by this, challenging this, Vishwas Shetty approached the High Court of Karnataka, where the writ petition came before Honorable Justice M. Nagaprasanna. And the court noted that it is peculiar. The so-called Vikram Samanth, he did not ask for the call records. He did not ask for the SMS charts. He asked only for the tower locations. It's a peculiar thing. So why are you concerned with the tower locations? Second point, when he is not a party to the suit, then how can you call for the tower locations? How can you call for the information? So as per Article 21 of the Constitution of India, So the state should protect the life and liberty of each and every individual. It is personal liberty. Right to liberty means right to let alone. So this was a famous judgment. I am not able to recover. Right to be let alone. So here Supreme Court, Honorable High Court of Karnataka clearly stated that you cannot ask for the records of a third party. So please remember, third party records cannot be asked for in this way. His right to privacy is violated. So citizens have got a right to privacy. The family court is not correct in saying, in ordering the regional manager Bharti Tel to submit the so-called contact tower location detail. So it's a very good judgment. Please read the judgment and enrich your legal knowledge. You can read the case of Vishwas Shetty versus Mrs. Preethi K. Rao versus wife of Vikram Samanth. So actually the dispute is between Vikram Samanth and the so-called Preethi, but not Mr. Vishwas Shetty. Therefore he filed the petition. No doubt we may assume the son, there may be relationship. We can't say that whether the relationship. He has to prove it. He has to prove the biochemistry or adulterate his wife. So with good intention, he would ask for the records. But court said no. No means no. We can't do it. So the High Court of Karnataka found fault with the lower court, that is family court, Bangalore. So with this, I am concluding. Thank you very much.